Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to class 8 in the lecture series on writing an effective resume. In this class, we shall see what core skills we can write on our resume. Core skills, in other sense, are called technical skills. So here we will see what kind of technical skills a candidate can mention on his or her resume. First of all, why do we write core skills on resume? Let us try to understand. Remember, companies hunt for skills, not the candidates. So you, as a candidate who applies for a job, company sees you as a skill, not as an individual or a candidate. So they hire you because you are skilled in something, not because you have just applied. Marketable parameter in technical interview. Definitely, the first round of interview will be preferably technical interview. There will be technical discussion immediately after your written test. So it is always important to have a content, technical content, which you can confidently speak about. So you have to look back into your 4 years of your graduation or 3 years of your graduation to see which technical parameter can fetch you a job. Based on what parameter you think you will be given a job. At least you should have idea so that you can frame it on your resume. In turn, an interviewer will pick that as a discussion in an interview, preferably technical interview. And answer for why should you be given a job. So they might ask you, why do you want a job? Or why do you think you are suitable for that job? Or why should I select you? For all those questions, this technical skills will become answer. And it's a protection shield against the technical interviewer. Candidate should take enough care that technical interviewer will not slip away from his confident zone or comfort zone. So it is better if you convey that you are good at something, and then technical interviewer might ask all the questions related to what you mentioned. And if you fail to mention your technical skills properly, then technical interviewer may ask directly the questions which are their requirements, which are company's requirements, or based on the skills of the interviewer or preference of the interviewer. When questions are asked from the preference of interviewer, that discussion, a candidate may be comfortable, may not be comfortable. So it is always important for a candidate to hold the technical interviewer on the core skills or technical skills what they mention on the resume. So technical skills will play a very important role in technical interviews. Now, what you can mention in this section of technical skills or core skills? You can mention any tools that you know. You can mention any softwares that you are comfortable with. You can mention any programming languages that you are comfortable with. You can name any technology that you worked upon during your academics. You can mention any skill like designing, or you can also mention any favorite subject or domain in your technical skills. Now, the more you mention, the more will be the scope to ask questions. But pick any 2 or 3 preferable technical skills that you want to be questioned upon. When you mention many, that might create ambiguity in the interview, or that might confuse you. You might not recollect many things during the interview. So it is better to mention preferably 2 or 3 skills which you are comfortable with. And if interviewer asks what you are comfortable with, mention only those things which you have written on the resume. So this is about the technical skills or the core skills which you can mention on resume. In the next video, we shall see soft skills that you can mention on the resume. Thanks for watching this video.